Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we will be assembling the LVT-4 Water Buffalo. Alright, so take your clippers and clip away like this. Careful with these parts, looks like they can go flying in every direction. So just clip away these parts. Alright, now let's do this side. Put that like that. When you clip it away, these, sometimes, as just a little warning, you should be wearing glasses. Sometimes the parts actually can go flying. Alright, so there's that piece. These pieces are good. That's good. That's good. This is good. Now it's just these. There's that. Now let's take and remove the screws from these shields, or whatever you call them. Okay, and then these pieces. There you go. So there's the cutting away process. Now we're gonna glue this kit together, so as you can kind of tell, that'll go like that. Simple enough. So just get some glue, and let's. All right, let's put one on the bottom here. Go. I'm using the table to help me guide this together. Very good. Yeah. So next, let's go ahead and get some glue here. All right. Then take this piece. Get it gluing together like that. There you have it. Now, the next step, just get some glue around these edges. So once you have your glue, those edges, take this piece, put it like that. Make sure it's going in the center there. And you can press down to make sure the glue dries. What's next? Let's go ahead and put these little pieces on. So go ahead and get some glue there. Now let's do the other side. There you have it. Now, just simply take this piece like this, glue like that. Slides nicely into place. Now the other side, of course. Very good. Now just take this piece. Whoops. There we go. I'm using up this Loctite glue. Towards the end, they kind of get hard to squeeze. So I'm using the table as a guide to help make sure those pieces glue together nicely. So here's the little mounts for MGs. If you get some MGs from a company that prints in resin, you can put them there. Resin or some other processes. We are not equipped to print in these micro tiny parts yet. Yeah, so just put these shields like that, or mount them however you wish. Look at historical reference pictures, whatever you wish to do. So there's the ramp. So this ramp, you could figure out some sort of mechanism if you wished to make the ramp work. That Loctite, so that's last bit of glue. I don't know if there's any left. We just need some glue here. Alright, so I got another bottle of Loctite glue. This is actually not a brand new bottle, it's just another one I had on hand, but as you can see, it has a better amount of glue left. I sell these on the website, wintertanks.com. But of course, you can use whatever glue, modeling glue that you use. There's the LVT-4 water buffalo from Major Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you for watching.